guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here, I always like to say my name at the beginning of the video because there was one time, well not once, a couple times when I was looking at someone's YouTube video and I was like, how do I pronounce her name? How do I pronounce, and they never said it. It's like nowhere to be found. So I'm over here like, ooh. So that's why I always say my name at the beginning of the video. So in today's video, I just thought I'd share that with you guys, but in today's video, I'm gonna be doing kind of like the end of summer look. I'm so sad because summer went by like that. And I've been in the house all summer, okay? I feel like I've been out to eat maybe like a handful of times, if that. Yeah, maybe like 3 or 4 times. Like we've been inside all summer and it's over. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing end of summer look. I haven't done a bold lip in a while, so I thought we'd just dabble into that. I really just wanted to use some of my favorite products and just chill, do my makeup, and have just a little relaxing moment together. Today's video is sponsored by Makeup Forever. I will be using, and you guys know how much I just love their products, just a true artistry brand. High pigment, performs well. Like, I love Makeup Forever. So today I'm going to be using the new Rouge Artist Lipstick, and I absolutely love it. This is a satin finish lipstick that gives you 24-hour hydration. I might even use this color. This is shade 208 Fierce Flamingo. You know what? I kind of like that. Fierce Flamingo. So I really love that this lipstick is, look at the bullet on it. It's just designed to look like a makeup brush. It comes with this really cool top here, and you just put it underneath like so. And you can hold it down here. Really gives you that, you know, professional feel so you can see what you're doing. These lipsticks come in 45 shades. They're $23. Next to matte, satin is one of my favorite textures of lipstick because you get that full pigment, but it gives you that smooth, creamy finish. So I love that it doesn't make my lips dry. It just, you know, makes them look all, I was gonna say moist, but creamy, let's just use that. I feel like whenever I say moist, I'm just like, is that dirty? I don't know. So the Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Lipstick is serving pigment, hydration, smoothness. It's gonna blur those lines on the lips. This is everything. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. I just got it and I've been using it ever since. I think you guys are gonna absolutely love it. It's available at Sephora.com and Makeup Forever, of course. Okay, enough about how much I love that lipstick. I think it's just time to jump into the video. Ooh, are we too close? I feel like you guys are like in my face right now, like in my pores. Okay, we're just gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna start with the Live Tinted Color Corrector in Rise. I mean, I feel like I talk about this all the time, so if you guys watch all my videos, you know this just corrects the darkness around my lip. I'm gonna grab my little sponge with a tiny bit of like concealer or foundation and use that to kind of blend this out. And this kind of just corrects the color, you know, there's darkness around my mouth. It's very common. All right, one of my favorite products, you guys know this, I use it all the time, Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. Everything, okay, it's so good. I did a whole video about this, and to be honest, a lot of people hit me up after, and they're like, oh my god, the concealer is amazing, and I was like, I told you. Listen, I told you. I'm actually gonna use this as kind of a foundation. So I'm gonna apply it in areas that I know I want a little bit more coverage, always under the eyes, the brows, and I'm just gonna kind of use my sponge to blend it all over. And then my little mountains, like what is this here, okay? What is it? I think it's stress and hormones, like my little monthly devil. That's what I call her, okay? She's on her way, and she is not playing right now. She is not playing. So I'm just blending the concealer in all over. I like to put it over my eyes too. Did I tell you the shade? That was shade 5.1. Look at that, boom, even. All right, this is shade 5.4 Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer, and I'm using this as a contour. This is also gonna add like a little bit of coverage. Just put it in areas where you would add bronzer, jawline here. I don't know about you guys, but I'm like addicted to TikTok, okay? And not that I'm addicted, but I just love it. Like, I love how you get to like meet so many different people, or see so many different people. It's not the same old people you follow, you know. I think I just love that about TikTok. Like last night, I was, and I'm not even like kidding or exaggerating, like I wouldn't even lie about this, but I was on TikTok for like 2 hours just bawling, like crying, because it was so funny. Like some people on there, I'm like, you guys are funny. Almost to the point where I'm like, are some of y'all actors? Like, did TikTok pay y'all? Dang, is this just like a Make It Forever video? Dang. I'm gonna use Y455, this color, okay? And I'm just gonna use this to set under my eyes. You guys know, ever since I went to that Makeup by L'Oreal masterclass, I've been using this. I have a palette full of like a bunch of different shades so I can mix and match, and also I just have everything. Like, so if I get a tan or if I lose my tan, I got it all right, y'all. So I'm just gonna use this to set my concealer, mainly under the eyes and areas where I get maybe oily or I just need to make sure it doesn't crease. So I tend to leave the outside of my face, my cheeks, like this whole area without powder, because I think it just looks a little bit better that way. All right, now I'm gonna grab my NARS Quirimba bronzer, and I'm just gonna hit up these cheeks, you know, add a little bit more definition, the jawline, always the forehead. You could do little circular motions or kind of blot it. All right, let's move on to brows. I'm just gonna brush my brows. Sometimes it's just like a little jungle up in there. I don't know what be going on. It's a hot mess. So I'm gonna use my KVD light brown brow pomade. I just love this brow pomade, and I've recently gone lighter because I think it just looks good. Like, I don't like my brows to be super dark. That's just a thing of the past. And I'm just gonna fill in and brush the pomade through the brows. And I like to apply it in the direction that brows grow, so up and away from the face, and then carve out, we'll call it like the border, okay? We're just gonna frame these bad boys. All right, I'm gonna clean up under my brows. They look a little bit of a mess, using the same concealer I used under the eyes. So this is really my eyeshadow base. So I like to kind of apply it all over and then use what's left to kind of get really close under the brow here. Sharpen these bad boys, clean them up. All right, let's jump into these eyes. I love this palette, Natasha Denona bronze palette. Ooh, I was about to say sunset palette. Was that the name of her other one? Yeah, I think it was it? Yeah, I think that was the last one, but her palettes are always so beautiful. You can tell, honey, that I use it. So we're gonna dip into this little brown right here. It's so close that I'm like not even getting the palette on camera, okay? We are close. Y'all are like definitely in my pores, okay? So I'm just gonna blot this shade. It's like a warm brown. You guys know I love my warm browns. I'm gonna blot this in the crease. Don't worry about it looking perfect. We're just trying to get the color on here. And then I'm gonna blend her out. Blend, blend, blend. All right, now I'm gonna jump to this darker brown here and apply this under the lash line. We're just gonna smudge this to give like a little bit of definition. I do like my under eyes to be a little bit darker than my crease. Like just a little bit. See, just like a little bit. All right, now with my finger, I'm gonna apply the shade all over the lid. Usually these like super metallic shadows, I'll just use my finger because I feel like it prevents the little fallout. Y'all know. All right, I'm gonna grab my one size liquid liner. Let me take the cap off this bad boy. And do like a little mini wing. I'm just dropping things all over, don't mind me. I don't know if you guys know, but my birthday's coming up. It's on September 14th. Am I doing anything? Just ask me if I'm doing anything. No. I'm one of those people, and I feel like most people wouldn't guess this about me, but I'm not into like having big parties every year. That's just not me. Like maybe every 10 years I'll have a party or something, but I'm more of like okay, it's my birthday, I want to go on vacation. I don't know if it's like the Virgo in me, I don't know what it is, but I just feel like I don't like to inconvenience anybody, you know? Not that like a party would be inconvenient, but y'all know, I'm just that type of person. I'm like, oh, I'll just go to dinner. But you know what it is about parties? I think it's just a lot of work. You know, maybe that's why I'm like, not into it. You know, it's a lot of work. It's not relaxing. You're stressed the whole time. Whereas like if you go out on a vacation, you're just relaxed the whole time. That's what I love to do. I like to go on vacation for my birthday. I don't think we're going to this year because, you know, we got a new dog, COVID, you know, all that. So these are Rokael Beauty Full Moon Lashes. This is kind of like a more natural lash. You can see I straighten them out, so you can't even really see them now, but as soon as I curl them, you'll be able to see them a little bit better, but definitely a natural thing. All right, while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna add a little bit of this Melt Cosmetics Queen Bee highlighter. This is actually a blush, but it's a highlighter for me, okay? Nose, above the lip, a little bit on the chin here. If you don't mind looking a little shiny. I mean, I like that look, especially in summertime because I feel like I just look like glowy. All right, this is Poppy Blush from KBD. It's on the cheek. I love this color. Even though we're doing like a bold lip, I'm still gonna have this bold blush, okay? This is blush season, by the way, you guys. Like, blush is all the way in, okay? Not that it ever left, but it's like in. All right, I'm gonna set my makeup with Kristen Dominique setting spray. Nice little mist, ooh. And then while that's drying, I'm gonna curl my lashes and the false lash. So we're just gonna curl everything. See how they're almost like, meh. So once I curl them, just you watch. Well, these aren't that dramatic, so it's not gonna be like super dramatic, but you'll notice some more. I'm all watch, and then I'm like, well, actually, it's not gonna be that dramatic, okay? Just like gives like a little lift. It's so sad because these lashes are so natural. They kind of look like they could be my lashes, but my lashes literally like could never. Like my little baby lash, you guys. They're so sad. Okay, this is Honest Beauty mascara. Let's see here. I'm gonna put the primer. This is like a double-ended mascara. I'm gonna put the primer at the bottom. See the little primer, my bottom lashes. What's going on here? What's happening? Nothing's coming off. Okay, that primer wasn't giving it to me, okay? Maybe because it's new. Everything, it just wasn't giving it to me. So I'm gonna switch to this NARS Climax, the new Climax mascara. You know what it is? I think I just need like this thick brush. You know, like I like a brush that looks like this. A little bit thicker. I don't like those like rubbery, thin brushes. Yeah, I like my lashes to look like spidery at the bottom. Ooh, I love how fresh this look is. Like, I love a bronze look. Ooh, even these lashes, I added a little bit more mascara and I feel like it almost looks like they're mine. Like, these could be my lashes. All right, let's finish the look. I'm gonna line my lip. Are we done? Ooh, that was quick. Yeah, we are done. I'm gonna line my lips with Makeup Forever number 40 lip liner. It's kind of like a reddish pink lip liner, which is fine. So we're doing a pink lip. Like, your lip liner doesn't always have to be matchy-matchy, okay? Little lip liner. I always fill in my lips just a little bit. To finish the look, you guys already know the Rouge Artist lipstick in 208 from Makeup Forever. Just gonna pop this bad boy on here. You don't even really need a lip liner. Put this on. Come on, satin. So full pigment, smooth finish. Picture perfect lips, okay? Ooh, this is cute. Okay, we're not gonna add any lip gloss because this is the look. Plus, I don't like adding gloss over a high pigment color like this, so boom, there it is. I like the little color blocking with this orange shirt and the pink lips. All right, guys, here is the finished look. This is giving me bronze, tropical. We're on our couch, but we're pretending like we're on a beach on vacation vibes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Also, I always read through the comments to look for ideas for the next video. So put your video requests below. And last but not least, strut and slay.